Welcome to the station. This station is the Tourniquet station. A tourniquet is an elastic band that we use to outstand the veins for better palpation. The tourniquet is 16 to 18 inches of length. It's an elastic band. And when we request tourniquets, please be advised that people can be allergic to latex. So there's some patients that may be allergic to latex. So when we're ordering tourniquets, an elastic band, 16 to 18 inches of length, we always want to make sure we order latex-free tourniquets. This tourniquet is going to go over the antecubital region. So if we take these 4 fingers and we describe anatomically that these 4 fingers are covering my antecubital region, the antecubital region is where we're going to find our 3 major veins. Some are very visible, some are not. But if there's something that is going to happen is that this piece of equipment is going to help you outstand the veins if you properly put it over the antecubital region. The tourniquet placement is 3 to 4 inches over the bend of the elbow. 3 to 4 inches over the bend of the elbow. That means that if I put it 3 to 4 inches over the bend of the elbow, this tourniquet will be over the antecubital region. And that's the correct placement. The tourniquet cannot be left on for more than 1 minute, so we can avoid hemoconcentration of the area, and it could give you false positives. So that's our responsibility. To place the tourniquet, we're going to go around the arm in the antecubital region, and we're going to cross the tourniquet. When we cross the tourniquet, if we're holding with the index finger the top part of the tourniquet and stretching the bottom part of the tourniquet, clipping it with the thumb and just applying support, letting it go, the bottom part of the tourniquet, we can actually tuck it in behind the index finger. And this is a comfortable tourniquet. If we quickly wrap around the arm and just place the tourniquet without being careful, this tourniquet could be very uncomfortable or can tear the skin of elderlies because their skin is very fine, it's very thin. So again, we're going to place the tourniquet. We're going to crisscross the tourniquet. We're going to put our finger behind where the cross meets. We're going to stretch the bottom part of the tourniquet, and we're going to clip it. We're going to hold that tension with the thumb. And after we let go, we're going to, from the side of the thumb, we're going to tuck in behind the index finger that tourniquet. I'm going to quickly demonstrate that we just palpate at this point and find a vein. We're going to be making that puncture, that venipuncture, holding the arm, going in. We're going to place our tube. After the tube is halfway filled, we can remove the tube, invert it twice, place another tube, and at this point, we release the tourniquet. After that tube is full, we'll remove the tube. We'll take out the needle, immediately putting that needle safe. Apply pressure. Reassess the site to put a Band-Aid, but meanwhile, that pressure needs to be 3 to 5 minutes, applying pressure to the site. So this tourniquet gets discarded in the biohazard container, as well as all of these pieces of equipment. And just remember, from the other station, we're going to do dirty fingers to dirty glove. and clean fingers to clean skin. We're going to discard it in the sharp container.